A very good evening to the esteemed audience. It is my pleasure to be here amongst all of you at the Dun & Bradstreet State Bank of India Business Enterprise of Tomorrow Summit and share my thoughts with the distinguished audience here. The summit aspires to set the ball rolling in unfolding the next chapter of inclusive MSME growth. Let me begin by complimenting the D&B team for choosing the theme, the roadmap to Atmanirbhar Bhavishya. MSMEs have a crucial role to play in achieving the objectives of self-reliance and 8 trillion economy by 2030. They are key drivers of employment, innovation, exports, and their growth is essential for India's economic development. From promoting indigenous manufacturing, creating employment, encouraging entrepreneurship, innovation, to reducing our dependency on imports. MSMEs play a significant role in all economic activities. Despite their significant contribution, MSME's ecosystem is plagued by a host of issues, often epitomized as lack of access to formal credit channels. Access to financing remains one of the most significant constraints to the survival, growth, and productivity of micro and small and medium enterprises. A study by Avenue Capital indicates that there is a gap of almost 42 trillion in MSME sector. And the credit gap results from both demand and supply side problems. Many MSMEs are reluctant to seek credit due to extensive paperwork and collateral requirements for obtaining a loan, high costs and interest rates, and multi-week decision time frames. Limited access to market, regulatory compliance, a skill shortage, and limited access to technology, stiff competition from large corporates, and maintaining high-quality standards and governance are some of the critical challenges faced by MSMEs today. However, a strong and concerted policy action from government, support in the form of subsidy, subventions, ease in compliance, and shift in lending policy of financial institutions have addressed these challenges to large extent. With increased availability of data from several sources, including GST and income tax, credit bureau, and fraud registry, it is now possible to do most of the due diligence online and appraise the MSME loan proposals very swiftly. Credit guarantee is an important risk mitigating tool which provides cushion to the lender for onward lending to MSMEs. Currently, CGTMSE and NCGTC have credit guarantee schemes for various MSME loans. Recent policy decision to increase the guarantee cover to Rs 5 crore and reduction in cost of guarantee cover will allow more funding to MSME units. The biggest game changer has been availability of reliable and secure data on multiple platforms of India's stack. This has allowed banks and fintech companies to innovate and build products to cater to needs of micro and small enterprises across geographies. Timely, adequate, and flexibility of funding to MSMEs will be the first and most significant step towards self-reliance of MSMEs. Timely payments to MSMEs has been a major roadblock in cash flow management of MSMEs. TREDS, the Trade Receivable Discounting System, has been a timely initiative in this direction, but the number of participants and MSMEs, sellers, and factoring units onboarding till now needs to grow exponentially to bring economics of scale and universal acceptance. Diversification of exchanges through collaboration between financial institutions and solution providers needs to get accelerated as the TREDS platform ensure that MSMEs have access to a regular flow of funds at competitive interest rates. A scaling up of the platform and creation of pooled API of all trades platforms providers should enable the financiers to understand the past repayment history of buyers, thus enabling them to take more informed decisions. As banker to the nation, we have partnered with central and state governments in successful execution of various government policies. At SBI, we are driven by our commitment to providing simple, responsive, and innovative financial solutions. We are extensively using the power of analytics to help us lower the barriers of extending hassle-free credit to customers. With convenience of customers as guiding principles, we have redesigned and reimagined our product offerings and processes. We have distinctive products like electronic bank guarantee, e-mudra, pre-approved business loan, and DRFS, which are completely end-to-end journey, digital journey, and our pre-approved business loan has been very well received by our MSME community, and we are in the process of onboarding more digital products with end-to-end digital processing of loan applications for the convenience of our MSME borrowers. To fast-track decision making in loan proposals, we have decentralized processes centers and also set up a specialized SME intensive branches. So far, we have more than 1,000 SME intensive branches across the country, and we have more than 2,000 relationship managers for only MSME across the country. We have also created value chain financing like the electronic dealer financing scheme, invoice-based financing, Surya Shakti Cell for solar power financing. We have created an exclusive branch in Mumbai. Also compressed biogas, ethanol for clean energy, and many other products have been redesigned for the benefit of our customers. So before I conclude, let me re-emphasize and celebrate again the contribution of MSMEs to Indian economy in spurring entrepreneurship and creating jobs. MSMEs are key to a sustainable economic growth, and hence it is in our collective interest that these enterprises thrive. The positive confluence of government initiatives and a strong domestic demand is expected to stimulate the Indian economy and put MSMEs on the growth path to become self-reliant, and we at SBI want to partner with MSMEs and contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat and also Atmanirbhar Bhavish, the theme for today. Thank you.